Hello students, welcome back to my channel Study with Simran. हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का एपिसोड 3 करेंगे SES रूल्स. ओके, सो एपिसोड 2 में हमने सीखा था कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. बट अब एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डू वी से ही प्लेज बट आई प्ले? लाइक वर्ब सेम है, एक्शन सेम है, फिर ये एक्स्ट्रा एस कहाँ से आ गया? वेल, टुडे वी आर फाइनली सॉल्विंग दिस मिस्ट्री. आज हम सीखेंगे एग्जैक्टली कब हमें एस लगाना है, कब ई एस लगाना है और कब हमने आई ई एस का यूज करना है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द पैटर्न, ये रूल्स काफी इजी हो जाएंगे. बिफोर वी जंप इनटू टुडेज टॉपिक, एक सुपर क्विक रिवीजन. एपिसोड 2 में हमने देखा था सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, जिसमें सब्जेक्ट होता है कौन एक्शन कर रहा है, वर्ब क्या एक्शन हो रहा है, और ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स एक्शन किस चीज या किस पर्सन पर हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी रीड बुक्स, जिसमें शी हमारा सब्जेक्ट है, रीड्स वर्ब है और बुक्स हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है. बट वेट, does the verb always remain the same with every subject? And that's exactly what we are going to find out today. Okay, so here is the main rule. जब हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट है आई यू वी दे, तब वर्ब का बेस फॉर्म यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई प्ले क्रिकेट, दे प्ले क्रिकेट. सिंपल, नो एक्स्ट्रा ड्रामा. बट जब सब्जेक्ट हो ही शी इट, तब वर्ब के साथ एस या ईएस लग सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही प्लेज क्रिकेट, शी रीड्स बुक्स. So basically remember this, I, we, you, they, base verb, but he, she, it, verb के साथ s और es. And now let's see exactly when s, es or ies is used. Okay, first rule is probably the easiest one. Most verbs simply take s, that's it. Literally just add s. For example, play, plays, read, reads, eat, eats, work, works. So I play cricket, but he plays cricket. See, nothing complicated. Most of the time, if the subject is a he, she, or it, just add as to the verb. But obviously, English couldn't stop here because now comes rule number 2. Okay, now we have some special verb endings. If a verb ends in as, double s, sh, ch, x, or o, we generally add es. Let's see this in action. Wash, washes, watch, watches, pass, passes, fix, fixes, go, goes. Notice the pattern. We don't just randomly add s here. These endings usually take es. So don't panic. You just need to remember these endings as, double s, sh, ch, x, and o. And yes, there is one more important rule. Now let's talk about verbs ending in y. If the verb ends with consonant plus y, then we change y into ies. For example, study, studies, try, tries, carry, carries. So, she studies English. Notice what happened. Study. Y disappeared and ies comes in. Pretty simple, right? But here's the catch. Not everybody follows this rule. And that's where our next rule comes in. Y rule ka plot twist. First, let's remember our 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now, if a verb ends with vowel plus Y, then we simply add S. For example, play, plays, enjoy, enjoys, stay, stays. So remember this one-liner, vowel plus Y add S, but consonant plus Y add IES. That's the difference. So if you see a verb ending in Y, don't immediately add IES. First check Y से पहले vowel है या consonant. That's the whole game. Now we have some special verbs that you just need to remember, because yes, English has a few VIPs. First, have, has. Have हमारा चेंज होगा has में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर सब्जेक्ट आई है तो हम कहेंगे आई हैव अ बुक, बट अगर सब्जेक्ट हमारा चेंज होता है, ही शी और इट आता है, तो हम कहेंगे ही हैज अ बुक. नेक्स्ट, डू change into does. I do my homework, but he does his homework. And finally, go, goes. I go to school, but she goes to school. So these three are super important: have, has, do, does, go, goes. Don't try to overthink them, just remember these forms. Okay, in a fury, now it's your turn. I'm giving you 4 sentences. Pause the video, think about the rule, and fill in the blanks. Ready? Number 1. He dash cricket. Verb is play. तो इसमें हमारा क्या आएगा? Play या फिर plays. Number 2. She dash English. Verb is study. Think about our why rule. Number 3. Riya dash TV. Verb is watch. Think which rule applies. And finally, number 4. Aman dash his homework. Verb is do. Remember our special verbs. Try all the 4 sentences before checking the answer. So हमारे correct answers है: he plays cricket, she studies English, Riya watches TV, क्योंकि ending ch के साथ हो रही है तो इसमें फॉर्म आएगी es. Aman does his homework. Okay, now let's look at some very common mistakes. First, he play cricket. Wrong. He plays cricket. She study English. No, she studies English. क्योंकि यहाँ हमारा y disappeared हो जाएगा, क्योंकि y से पहले कॉन्सोनेंट है तो हम वर्ब के साथ ies को ऐड करेंगे. He go to school. No, he goes to school. She have a car. No, she has a car. So before you submit an answer, just stop for 1 second and check the subject. That one little check can save you from a lot of mistakes. Okay, final recap. Let's check these rules in. Rule number 1. Most verbs के साथ just add as. Rule number 2. If verbs endings with s, double s, sh, ch, x or o, just add es. रूल नंबर 3. अगर हमारे पास कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस वाई है तो ऐड ies. अगर वोवल प्लस वाई है तो जस्ट ऐड एस. एंड आर स्पेशल वर्ब्स have, has, do, does, go, goes. That's basically episode 3. If you remember these patterns, you are already halfway there. And that's it for episode 3. Now you know exactly when to use as, es and ies in simple present tense. But knowing the rule is one thing, using them correctly in complete sentences is the real game. And that's what we are doing in episode 4, affirmative sentences. I will see you in episode 4. Keep learning, keep practicing. Bye bye.